my name is Mara and today we are going to make a lovely fluffy omelette. Remember, your dish is always as good as the ingredients you use. So I'm using beautiful free-range organic eggs. So for this omelette I'm going to use 2 eggs. Crack into the bowl. 1, 2. Whisk with a fork. Not too crazily, just a light whisk. We want a little bit of substance to the omelette. And only then we'll add some salt and pepper. Right, so let's heat our pan on a medium-high heat. Not the full high heat, we don't want to burn our butter. 1 small knob of butter, in it goes. And once that is sizzling and just starting to brown, getting a little bit of a caramel colour, remember that caramel colour will add some flavour to our omelette. Let's add our eggs. You will need 2 spoons, first one, in it goes, and do a figure 8. Now I turn down low, and at this stage, in this early stage, we are going to keep moving this egg mixture from the sides into the centre and then filling the void. This creates some really lovely air pockets and creating texture for your omelette. It really doesn't take long to set. And when it's 3/4 of the way set, that is just about set, we're going to sprinkle it with freshly chopped chives and some grated cheese on half of the omelette. You can use your favourite cheese. I've got Australian cheddar today. Now when the egg is 3/4 set, you can see that all the egg is just about set there. 2 spoons, 1 in each side, and fold it into a third and then into another third. We can wait about 30 seconds to allow the cheese to melt and that final bit of egg to set. And while we're waiting, one of my tips for entertaining your friends for breakfast is literally doing a dozen eggs on a large pan, making 1 large omelette. It's a beautiful centerpiece, and you can fill it with anything you want, any cooked vegetables or ham. You can cook some mushrooms down, capsicum, onions or spinach. It really is beautiful. Put them all in. It's quite a beautiful thing to make for your friends. Okay, I think this is ready. We've got some lovely browning on the egg, that's from the butter. So when you're ready to serve, bring the pan close to the plate and flip it onto your plate. And there, voila, omelette. What a lovely, fluffy omelette. A perfect pairing with this would be a Pinot Noir or Chardonnay. And today I have chosen a Chardonnay, a Margaret River Chardonnay. After all, this is lunch and not breakfast. Cheers.